Before buying shocks for your Silverado 2500 HD, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1: Gabriel Load Carrier Shocks. Let's kick things off with the Gabriel 43181 Load Carrier Shocks. Priced at $88.78, these shocks caught my attention with their innovative design. If you want better stability while towing, this is worth a serious look. This is crucial if you often haul heavy loads, as it provides up to 500 pounds of support per pair. Imagine maintaining ride height and stability without feeling like your truck is sagging under the weight. Plus, the heavy-duty construction resists corrosion and wear, ensuring you get a dependable performance over time. With a solid 4.5-star rating from over 5,100 reviews, people are clearly satisfied. Here's the thing though, if you take your time and maybe watch a few tutorials, it's totally manageable. This is perfect for you if you frequently tow or haul heavy loads and want to keep your ride stable. Skip this one if you're looking for a shock that prioritizes plush comfort over load support. For the price, it's a solid deal. Now, if the installation issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2: Bilstein 5100 Series Shocks. Next up, we have the Bilstein 24253161 set of monotube shocks. At $346.48, this option is a bit pricier, but it's packed with features that genuinely surprised me. If you want a smoother ride and better handling, these might be your best bet. They provide a significant improvement in ride quality, which is especially noticeable on rough terrain. The digressive valving allows these shocks to respond instantly to road conditions, giving you a stable ride even when the roads get bumpy. With a rating of 4.6 stars from nearly 1,000 reviews, they've earned their place among the best options. Now, some users mention that the price is steep for shocks. I get it, but here's the thing: if you're serious about your truck's performance and comfort, this investment pays off in the long run. This is perfect for you if you off-road or just want to enhance your ride quality. Skip this if you're on a tight budget. For the level of performance, it's a worthwhile investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a complete package. Product number 3: Detroit Axle Shock Absorbers. Next, let's talk about the Detroit Axle Front and Rear Shock Absorbers. Priced at $92.82, this set is designed for various Silverado models, making it a versatile choice. If you need a straightforward replacement without breaking the bank, this is worth considering. What's great here is that it includes both front and rear shocks, making it a complete package for those looking to refresh their suspension. The shocks are specifically designed for trucks, meaning you're getting a product tailored to handle heavier weights and rougher rides. Users appreciate that they're ready for installation right out of the box, with no extra tools needed. With a strong 4.5-star rating from over 17,300 reviews, it shows that many truck owners trust this brand. However, some people felt the ride wasn't as cushy as they expected. Here's the thing though, if you're more focused on functionality than luxury, these shocks will do just fine. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable option for basic highway and city driving. Skip this one if you're after a high-performance shock for off-roading. For the price, it's a solid deal. Now, if you're looking for something that can really improve your ride quality, the next product might just blow you away. Product number 4: Bilstein 5100 Series Adjustable Shocks. Moving on, we have the Bilstein set of 5100 Series shocks for $347.85. This option is highly rated, and for good reason. If you want enhanced ride quality and adjustability, this is definitely worth your time. These shocks are engineered to improve handling and ride comfort significantly. Digressive valving allows these shocks to react instantly, giving you a controlled ride even on bumpy roads. The lifetime warranty also adds peace of mind, ensuring you're covered in case of defects. With a solid 4.6-star rating, many drivers are satisfied with the performance. Now, some users did mention they faced challenges during installation. But I'll be real with you, if you have basic mechanical skills, you can handle it. This is perfect for you if you frequently drive on rough terrain or just want to improve your truck's overall handling. Skip this one if you prefer a more straightforward, no-fuss installation. Given the performance benefits, it's worth considering. Alright, if you want something that's built for tough conditions, the last product on our list is a great option. Product number 5, Bilstein B850-100 Series Shocks. Finally, let's look at the Bilstein B850-100 Series suspension shock absorbers. At $361.97, this set is designed for heavy-duty use and offers a fantastic ride. If you want a product that can handle rough conditions while still giving you a smooth drive, this one is definitely a contender. The patented digressive valving allows for quick adjustments to changing surfaces, meaning you won't feel every bump or dip. Built to last with vulcanized rubber bushings, they're resistant to harsh elements, which is a major plus if you drive in all conditions. With a rating of 4.7 stars from over 850 reviews, they're highly regarded in the community. However, some users found the price a bit high. I get that, but here's the thing, if you're looking for performance that lasts and consistent quality, the investment pays off. This is perfect for you if you regularly take your truck off-road or want a heavy-duty option. Skip this if you're looking for something more budget-friendly. Given the durability and performance, it's a smart buy. In conclusion, we've seen a range of options from Gabriel's affordable load carriers to Bilstein's advanced performance shocks. Each of these products caters to different needs, whether you're towing, off-roading, or just looking for a smoother ride. To wrap it up, we've covered the Gabriel load carrier, Bilstein 5100 series Detroit axle absorbers, Bilstein adjustable shocks, and the B8 5100 series. Each one has its strengths depending on what you need, whether it's towing, budget, or performance. Make sure to choose the one that fits your driving style.